Welcome back to Beelzebub the Jag. I've spent an hour or so and really cleaned up the original material in order to sort of give myself the best chance possible of doing a decent weld. I've done the same along here, and let's have a look. The panel doesn't look like it fits, but it does. What's happened here? It's all of the shape in the end that's been cut off that gives this thing its integrity, because it's just wobbling about. Like the whole thing is wobbling, so it's going to be a bit of a devil to weld in place. What I'm going to have to do, I'll probably tack just here, but where the tacks are is too low, because this is floating free, look. So I'll tack it anyway, and I'll tack it there, and I'll tack it here, because once again it's floating rather free. But once I've got it tacked onto this, because there's so much shape in that's rather taut, and there's a lot of shape in the repair panel. If you didn't see the previous videos, I made this repair panel, by hand in the street. Oop. Here we go. You get the idea. So I'm going to tack it in place. I'll tack the corners. I'll be able to pull the panel up to roughly where it's supposed to be. Do a couple of tack welds. Then I'll be able to get a couple of tack welds in here. When it drops down, it doesn't look like it fits, but when I pull the panel up about 20 millimeters, actually, all these fresh air gaps close. So because I've put new metal in that corner, we've got something to weld to. It's been a massive job to sort of make this thing in the street, but I'm pleased with it. You can see it's going to work. It's basically the right shape. And let's have a look at it from the underneath. I say basically, it's close to being the right shape. And once it's tacked into place, I'll be able to finally shape it. As you can see, actually, how much it's dropped down. Look. It's considerable. It's about 15-20 millimeters, and these areas included. Ooh, anyway, never mind. The whole thing's dropped out now, but not to worry. But this is the original part of the original valance. I've just hacked it off. But the car's in. It doesn't even want surface rust, actually. These gold areas. What's that? It's wax oil. This is a lot of bits of old wax oil. But yeah, it's in very good condition, much better than I thought. But I'll repaint that. I'll wax oil it furiously before I put the brand new valance on. But yeah, I'm gonna look at the state of the original. See, look, it's just bare metal. There's not even any paint on it. So no wonder these things rotted from the factory. But I'm very pleased. We are going to get there with this. So of course, when I'd sort of chopped all this floor out, it was quite a daunting and frightening sight. But yeah, we'll be okay with this. We'll be okay. It's going to make a decent job. I just want the job to be permanent. I don't want to ever have to return to it.